in SA, like most of the things, you don't have to be smart, you just have to sound smart. Once you sound smart, this one, you'll do the right job. So in terms of the least one, because I'm not into politicians, as you know, we are youth, we don't care about those things, but then I don't have, but then the one I like, Julius Malema, you see that guy? I'm terrible, Julius. Julius, I trust you.
I don't have a favorite politician because really they're not doing nothing in South Africa, all of them. I can't say this person is doing a great job, that person is not doing a great job. I feel like you're right, we just live here.
Disappointing, I won't say I have one, but my favorite is Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. He inspires me a lot because he's very educated. His charisma on its own, it's unmatched. Like, I feel like if Mbuyiseni has decided to pursue his own political, how can I say it, his own political ventures, he'd do a great job in ensuring unity amongst us as South Africans.
I don't have a favorite politician, but my least disappointing, it's gonna be Julius Malema.
Why?
Because he's inconsistent with his decisions and he's kind of promoting a system where it only benefits black people, which is kind of ruining our diversity in the country.
Minister of Health, Aaron Motsoaledi, as well as Panyaza Lesif. They are active, they are always on the ground, and they interact with a majority of communities, whether squatter camp or not squatter camp, but they are there for people of South Africa to make sure that everything is possible. The one which I don't like him is Jacob Zuma. It's because of he forget about the people who were voting for him and think about the Indian people, Guptas. And remember, Guptas, they start to open a business by the account of 17 rand to open, became a multi-billionaire. And again, we are not even the citizen of this country. No.
My favorite politician, I think it's Ndlozi. Despite the poor treatment he has been getting from his former leader, but he still stuck and became loyal and also loyal to our people and the struggle. My least politician, it's Ramaphosa. Our own president, I'm so sorry, he's really disappointing us. I remember there was another day where U2 has qualifications, asked him for a job. It's like, I keep searching on the internet. What is that? You get me?